How to manage your devices and sign-ins in Crunchyroll. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can manage devices and sign-ins in Crunchyroll. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to log in into your Crunchyroll account through a web browser. So head over to crunchyroll.com, enter your credential and then log in into your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner next to your profile, click on the drop down. So once you land on this interface, head over to your settings. Now under your settings, you can scroll down to device management from this menu bar. So click on device management. Under your device management, scroll down a bit and here you have the device where you are currently logged into. So from here you can deactivate specific devices by clicking on the device and then click on the deactivate button next to each device that you want to deactivate. If you want to deactivate all the devices, then you can also deactivate all the devices that if you want to log out from all of your connected devices. So you can also do that via the device management section. Now to manage your sign-ins in security, once you're under the settings, you have to head over to your password and security from here. So head over to password. If you want to change your password, you could also do that. So click on reset password, change your password to secure your account. So that's it. That's how you can manage your devices and sign-ins in Crunchyroll. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.